have been taken. So it's, you just need to make enough profit, to pay off your capital cost. But of course, when you are considering investing in a power plant, that was on the left side of this, then you have to understand what's my profit in the future. And the profit is very sensible to the balance between demand and generation. And that's kind of also the idea, when this balance is kind of getting tight, not being the amount of surplus capacity is reduced, the prices will increase. So that's kind of a natural dynamic within the system. When there's a lot of capacity, the prices will be low. So the ideal kind of market way of thinking of this is that the prices is increasing, and also the expectation of future prices is increasing. And at a certain point, you say, well, I like to invest now. And this is then a regional, you could call it a game. It's a regional game, and I call it a game because your investment in your country will also influence my profit in my company, my country. So who will kind of, we're looking into an insecure future. Who will decide to invest? Kind of the first who do that will have the biggest profit. Those being a little late will they will influence the other profit, but they would not producing in some high price years. So it's a delicate question. EAPP will not invest in anything. They will study and recommend investments, and then other units will then make the investment. And I think to have a regional organization is really, this about the bankable documents will really help creating good documents. So a certain investment, if they can say, we have an independent report saying that this is a good investment, that would help that project. So it's kind of, that's the planning side, to have this regional, looking on all the countries and saying, for the next few years, what is the best investment that can take place. So that is kind of the regional perspective, and it can only be a recommendation. Then other actors will take over and do the investment. And it is kind of a game between countries. And the same goes for transmission, investment in transmission lines. It's kind of a game, but it needs, I think it would benefit heavily from a regional perspective.